All you need is a simple spreadsheet setup. Just some categories, a budget for each, and a place to log your spending data. And with a setup like this, here are 5 awesome ways to analyze your spending using Google Sheets. To start, one of the best things that you can do is calculate the total that you've spent per category and per month. And if you use the right function, all of these numbers will continue to update automatically as you track your spending. So how do you actually calculate these numbers? You use what's called the SUMIFS function. This function allows you to automatically calculate conditional sums. In other words, it only adds numbers that meet certain criteria like a specific category or specific month. And for a deeper understanding of how this function works, I left a link in the description where I do a full run-through of all the details. For now, let's move on to the second way that you can analyze your spending. This technique answers the question, how much do I spend on specific thing over specific time frame? For instance, how much did I spend on groceries over this past year? The best way to see a trend through time is to create a line chart. You can pinpoint the totals for individual time periods, and you can also see how everything changes from point to point. To create a line chart within Google Sheets, just calculate the totals for each time period and use the built-in charting feature to create the line chart. Next, let's talk about one of my favorite analysis techniques, the combo chart. Let's say that you want to see how your spending for the month compares to your budget. But at the same time, you want to see this comparison for every month across the entire year. How would you do this? Well, you create this visual using a combo chart in Google Sheets. You just need the 12 individual months, the budget for each, and the totals for each. Then select the data, insert a chart, and select the combo option. From there, you can design the different aspects to your liking. Then, once you're done, you can see how your spending and budget compare for each and every month over the entire year. Now, what if you want to dig into the details behind a specific number? For example, you have the total monthly spending number for your food category, but you want to see the individual transactions behind this number. What do? Well, you use the filter function. The filter function allows you to filter specific data based on specific criteria. In this case, it allows you to filter spending transactions based on a specific category and month. You just set up the function once and you're good to go. Which brings me to one of the most spectacular analysis tools that you can use in Google Sheets. And this one tool makes it possible to make things like this, and this. Basically, you can use this tool to create all types of data visuals to tell a story with your data. So, what is this magical tool? Well, it's called the Sparkline function, and it allows you to create many different charts inside of any Google Sheets cell. All you have to do is reference the data that you want to visualize, set the parameters of the function, and it generates the data visual. The only drawback is that it's a little tricky to learn, but I have a solution for you. Watch this video next, and I'll show you everything that you need to know to use the Sparkline function in Google Sheets with clarity and confidence.